Hello and welcome to the GoFundMe campaign for Maker Expo 2018. We're glad you're here and we want to show you all about our fantastic event. First off, we're a diverse, family-friendly showcase of makers, artists, and organizations who create amazing things in celebration of the do-it-yourself spirit. Maker Expo is about inclusivity, diversity, and interactivity. Everyone is welcome, everyone can participate, and everyone learns something. Our only goal? Everyone is inspired to go home and make something new. Maker Expo 2018 by the numbers. We will have more than 50,000 square feet of indoor expo space. We are expecting more than 12,000 people to attend. We have 150 or more volunteers and more than 400 volunteer shifts. We will have 125 or more makers, exhibits, and hands-on workshops, as well as 50 local organized kids groups in our new STEAM celebration. Join us for this two-day event on June 2nd and 3rd, 2018 at the Kitchener Auditorium. Admission is free, the activities are free, it's free to exhibit, and we even work hard to pay our workshop leaders for their time and materials. We have fantastic volunteers. We have lots of learning opportunities. We have award-winning makers from all over North America. We have local entrepreneurs who love and share their passion about making with this community. We have very ambitious makers. We even have some YouTube celebrities. We have inspiring change makers, passionate educators, and the next generation of leaders. Our dedicated organizers are here to make sure that this event is a huge success. But we need you. We need to pay for all of this. We need to pay for the facility and the venue. We need to pay for the rental of tables and chairs, fences and exhibit dividers. We need to pay for security and first aid and insurance. We want to promote and maximize the participation and awareness. We need to feed our volunteers and put shirts on their backs. And most importantly, we need to pay for all those materials that are hands-on activities that make Maker Expo such a huge and incredible event. With your help, hopefully, we can work our way closer to our $80,000 goal. We hope to see you on June 2nd and 3rd, 2018 for Maker Expo at the Kitchener Auditorium in Kitchener, Ontario. Come and celebrate your love of making with us. See you soon.